Introduction to the OSI model. In the beginning, the development of networks was chaotic. Each vendor had its own proprietary solution. The bad part was that one vendor's solution was not compatible with another vendor's solution. This is where the idea for the OSI, that is Open Systems Interconnection model, was born. Having a layered approach to networks, our hardware vendors would design hardware for the network, and others could develop software for the application layer. Using an open model which everyone agrees on means we can build networks that are compatible with each other. To fix this problem, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, researched different network models, and the result is the OSI model, which was released in 1984. Nowadays, most vendors build networks based on the OSI model, and hardware from different vendors is compatible. Excellent. The OSI model isn't just a model to make networks compatible. It's also one of the best ways to teach people about networks. Keep this in mind, since when you are studying networking, you will see people refer a lot to the OSI model. This is the OSI model, which has 7 layers. We work our way from the bottom to the top. Let's start at the physical layer. Physical layer. This layer describes stuff like voltage levels, timing, physical data rates, physical connectors, and so on. The physical layer contains information in the form of bits. Data link. This layer makes sure data is formatted the correct way, takes care of error detection, and makes sure data is delivered reliably. This might sound a bit vague, but for now, remember that this is where Ethernet lies. MAC addresses and Ethernet frames are on the data link layer. Network. The network layer works for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in different networks. It also takes care of packet routing, a selection of the shortest path to transmit the packet from the number of routes available. The sender and receiver's IP addresses are placed in the header by the network layer.